Today I'm going to be reviewing Careking's We Always Care Deep Tissue Massage Gun. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's a really cool idea to have it bent so you can actually reach your back, or if you don't need that, just have a normal handle to massage wherever else. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here and show you how it works. All right, first of all, when you get this, it's going to be portable because you get a nice little bag with this. It's going to come with this and this attached. These attachments actually go in and then they spin shut. So that's what it looks like. And then you can easily turn it on here like that. And you can adjust the speed right here, however you want it. And then you can hold it down to turn it off. You also have 3 other attachments that you can put on the end there. To do that, just pull these out. And then you can just put in the other one that you want by pushing it in. And again, just hit the button. All right, so here's kind of like the swan neck. Now, this is not flexible. I mean, it is flexible, but it's not meant to be, it doesn't like move beyond this point. It will flex a little bit, but it doesn't like move. Again, to get this off, you just spin it, pull it out. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna add this and this together. Again, it just twists in place. Now this has all the electronics in there. And same thing with this, turn it in, spin it close, and look, now you can get your back. So if you see right here, like that, you can reach places that would be a little bit harder. And I'll tell you what, that feels really good. Wow, that feels good. This is an Amazon choice last month, November 2025. Over 400 plus of these were bought, and I'm not showing that these are getting returned. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.